Hey guys, so this video is on OxiClean Odor Blasters. I'm just going to open it up for you guys so you could see what the liquid looks like. It's like a purple liquid. It smells really nice. So the reason that I ordered this was because it took me a really long time to figure this out. I would have towels, and even after I washed them, they would smell like mildew. And I was like, I don't understand, because I'm using like Tide, like I'm using a nice laundry detergent and the smell isn't coming out. So then I realized it's because, like the wet towels and stuff will kind of sit at the bottom of the hamper for a little bit before I wash them. And those towels are towels like not just from the shower, but from after using the pool, from after going to the gym. So I bought this and it really, really helps. So it gets out sweat, musty towels, and body odor. So, you really need that, especially in the summer months. Like, if you have like sweaty gym clothes, or like your kids are playing like lacrosse in the fields and they, for example, and they get mud on them or whatever, this is really good to have to get those tough smells out. And I know like that mildew smell, is awful, and it's really hard to get out. You use this with detergent and it's chlorine free. So for pre-soak, for best results, to remove tough stains and odor, mix 1 capful of OxiClean liquid per 1 gallon of the warmest water recommended by the Garment Care label. Submerge laundry in solution and soak for 6 hours, then wash as normal with detergent and OxiClean liquid. You could pre-treat the stains. For standard machines, you could add OxiClean liquid and detergent to every load before adding laundry. And for regular loads, fill cap to bar A. For large loads, use more. This is what the inside looks like so that you can measure it. It smells lovely. So definitely try this out, you guys. If you have like those musty odors in your clothes, this will definitely get that out.